Hi guys, welcome. Say AC
And for
YouTube
today's
channel.
video,
I will teach you how log out on all devices. First, go to the profile and go to settings. Then click settings. Then just click See more in Account Center. Then click Password and Security. Click where you're log in. Oh, that's our click. Then you click what Facebook, the one, shake it all out. That's it. Those are the devices where we shake in. So at the end, select devices to log out. That's your click. Ganyan select all so that we can get out all the devices. That's where we are. Where we went. Log out. So that's it guys. Thank you very much for watching this video and I hope you learned something. Please like and subscribe.